In this video, I will give you 5 websites that will make your work much faster, smoother, and easier. This video is the result of a community poll on my channel. Since 48% was almost half the people's choice, and I make regular videos all the time, I decided to make this video. Number 1, Removebg. This website is for the times when you don't feel like opening Photoshop to remove the background. Just upload the picture here, and it removes the background from the subject. Number 2, PhotoP. This website is literally a 90% copy of Photoshop. It can also run PSD files and can do whatever Photoshop can do. You can use it on your laptop when you're outside and when you don't have your home PC. If you know Photoshop, you will have no problem using it. Number 3, Pexel. It's a website you will need when you don't have enough B-rolls. Well, you can never have enough B-rolls. Just search in whatever you need and it will give you a professional video of it. I have been using this website for a long time now. Good thing about it is that it does not need a login to. Number 4, Rapidtags.io. It's a really nice website that I have been using for a really long time now. It gives long tags for your YouTube video by just putting in the title of the video. The good part is that its tags really work well, at least they have been working for me. For example, I am putting the title of this video right here, and it will give me long tags for it, and I can simply copy and paste them. Number 5, Giphy. When you run out of interesting clips and footage, just search for it here. It will give really interesting clips of it. And also there are so many clips to choose from, I personally use it many times in my projects. The plus point is that it makes the video more interesting to watch. Now you have a website, Pexel for professional footages, and Giphy for some goofy clips. To learn this really cool effect, click on this video right here and comment if you want me to make a tutorial or a video on anything.